What's up YouTube? It's your boy WannabeMatt. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed our national anthem of Jamaica. So, the Olympics just ended. Yes, we know it just ended. Yes, I'm surprised it even kept with all of those stories flooding out of Brazil with the economy and environment, etc. etc. What a lovely event it was. Big up to Brazil hosting the game this year despite all the challenges. Round of applause for you guys. So on the last day the medal count is at this. As you can see, the USA is leading with the most medal count. Congratulations to the USA for accumulating the most medal count, doubling that of the next total medal count person, which I think was Great Britain. So congratulations to the US of the A. With that congratulations in place, I would like to take this moment to congratulate the real winners of the 2016 Rio Olympics. Ta-da! Me and you both know that any highlights of the Olympics included a Jamaican. Really, don't deny it. You know it's true. You know it's true. Don't deny it. From Elaine Thompson, who is now the first woman in 28 years to win both the 100 and the 200 meters in an Olympic game. That's a history lesson.
Me say history class up on Wednesday.
Up next is Omar McLeod, who won the 110 hurdles for Jamaica. That hurdle thing is no joke. It's like, seriously guys, that hurdle thing is no joke. It looks dangerous as. But that's our first ever gold medal in an Olympic game for a Jamaican. Big up Omar. Big up yourself, youth.
Nigga, when my name come up, respect it. I ain't gonna say it no more.
And last but not least, we all know the great Saint Leo Bolt, ending the Olympic event with three medal counts in the 100, 200 and the 4x1 men's relay. No surprise there, he's been doing it for a while, so we weren't shocked when he won all three of them. Overall, we finished the Olympic Games in 16th position, accumulating about 11 medals overall, I believe. Those 11 medals make us proud as Jamaican, wherever you are in the diaspora and country, regional, worldwide, international. I'm just talking words. Okay, we dominated the Olympics for sure. We say thank you. Can we get an applause, guys? Louder. That's for you guys, or at least that continue to represent us on the international stage. And with all major events, yes, we can't leave out the memes. Here are a few of my favorites. That last one kills me every time. Well guys, it's your boy WannabeMatt. Thank you for watching another one of my videos. If you like these videos, give it a thumbs up, a thumbs down, thumbs up, preferably a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, share, follow me on the socials. Links are always in the description below. Watch some more of my videos. Their suggested tags should be right here. Go watch my videos, subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. What it do? Last week it was a running man challenge. Now so gone it's you. Repping the 876 true. I'm no chance the